to another video, guys. What I have here is boxes of fire alarm parts we've demoed from a system. So what I will be doing is just taking them all out so you can see them. These will all be listed on eBay. I'll give a brief description or part number if I can of the parts that we get. These are duct detector housing boards, I believe from a simplex duct detector housing. Not sure the type, I don't have those. Part number on these is 562955. These are simplex lights 62112152. Next box. Alright, 4903s, speaker strobes. Full part number is 49039358. Cover. These are back plates for pool stations with on the 4903. This one's another 4903 horizontal speaker strobe. With the trim, and that's 49059915. To the pool stations, I'll have to get a key. Open 2099-9795. These are slightly more dirtied and yellowed. Alright, looks like some speakers and strobes. These are E90s. For the strobes, got some more RSS 2475Ws. These out of the RSS seem to be the most popular. 75 Candela. Slightly more yellow on these. Seem to all be 75. Nope, there's a 110 in there. And a 30. Here's the 110. Got a broken one. So these I only sell for $9.99, so any broken cover I generally just toss. For this last box, some more speakers. These are all also E90. Welcome to another video. What I'll be doing here is